There's a steady spike in India's daily COVID cases. India has reported over 264,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Daily cases are up by 6.7%. Active cases in India are now above 12 lakhs. This is the highest in 220 days after 300 COVID-related deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. The positivity rate has also shot up. Daily positivity rate is now up from 13% to 14.78%. India's cases have been fueled by the Omicron surge. The Omicron cases now stand at over 5,753. Over 300 new Omicron cases in the last 24 hours have been seen. There has been nearly a 5% increase in cases since Thursday. This number could, however, be lower because of limited genome sequencing.
Mumbai recorded 13,703 COVID cases on Thursday evening. This was 16.55% less than the cases reported on Wednesday evening. On Wednesday evening, 16,420 cases were reported in Mumbai. The COVID positive tally in Mumbai stands below 1 lakh now. The total COVID positive cases in Mumbai are at around 95,123. Meanwhile, the BMC has asked manufacturers and sellers of COVID self-test kits to provide information regarding buyers to the Food and Drug Administration. Also, BMC has appealed to all the citizens that they should mask up and maintain social distancing all the time. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
The national capital on Thursday registered its highest tally of COVID cases at 28,800 plus and saw the positivity rate go up till 29%. The city also registered 31 deaths. In the wake of the same, the Prime Minister also took a review meeting with all the chief ministers, and it is now expected that given the high number of cases that are coming on a daily basis, not just in Delhi but the entire country, certain more measures are likely to be implemented as well. The city has already seen a weekend curfew last week, and the same could very well be replicated this time around as well. For India Today, this is Mohit Sharma with video journalist Sachin Jandok.
The night curfew is still in place, and other restrictions that have been put across by the West Bengal government, keeping in mind that the COVID-19 cases are not going down. In the last 24 hours, close to 23,500 new COVID-19 cases have been reported, but the good news is that the positivity rate has gone down. Earlier it was more than 50% and now it is around 32%. Though the government is still monitoring the situation, considering also that the Ganga Sagar Mela is underway. Though people who are going for the Ganga Sagar Mela are doubly vaccinated and have to have an RT-PCR test, the government is still looking at the situation very closely. And apart from that, as far as people who are said to be positive or those who might have flu-like symptoms are advised to stay indoors and stay isolated. With camera person Prabir Biswas, Prema Rajaman, Kolkata for India Today.
All right, let's take a look at the states reporting the maximum number of cases across India. The states of concern: number one state, Maharashtra, reporting over 46,406 cases. Delhi comes second with 28,000 cases, almost 29,000 cases that Delhi city reported. Karnataka also of concern. Down south, we also have Tamil Nadu again reporting about 20,000 cases. Karnataka over 25,000, and West Bengal reporting over 23,000 cases, accounting for the maximum number of cases. These five states in the country when it comes to the total tally that we've seen in the last 24 hours of 2,64,202 cases.